So hi there beautiful people, I'm back with another cooking video and we are going to be cooking meat stew that is in the Ugandan way, our traditional way of cooking meat. So that is, we first roast it on the fire. If you want, you can put bikuta there, you know, the peels from matoke. You peel matoke, you put the bikuta, and then you start roasting your meat. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I cover it with my banana leaf, and that is optional, but just to keep in the aroma of the meat and the steam. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and turn it. Okay, we don't want it to burn, we just want to roast it a little bit. So roasting it gives it a beautiful aroma, a nice smell. Yeah. So now here is our beef all roasted and looking so beautiful, and yeah, so these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I'm going to be using salt, Rayco, I'm choosing mix, curry powder, Simba, I'm using Simba, onions, tomatoes, and carrots. And you can go ahead and use green pepper, but I don't have them at the moment. So I'm gonna chop my ingredients into cubes, and I added some coriander, which is optional, of course. Okay, so we're gonna chop them into cubes, and then we will be adding them into our beef. Okay, so just gonna get the saucepan, and I add in all our beef. This saucepan here, in my language we call it box. In my country, I don't know where the name came from, I don't know, but it's called a box. Vazaku box. So I'll be adding the ingredients. You can add in a little bit of oil if you want, cooking oil. Okay, and I've said also green pepper also gives it a nice aroma, but I didn't have it, so I'm gonna add in my salt and my simbambiri, and yeah. So then after that, you can go ahead and add in the water. As you can see, I've already added the water. Now I'm adding the Rayco choosing mix, and then we're gonna be stirring everything together. Okay, and then we will be bringing it to boil. So again, this one is also optional, but it is recommended. I don't know if that makes sense. So you can put it, the rulagala, that banana leaf, into your sauce. It gives it a nice smell, aroma. Then we're gonna cover it, and of course you can add a piece of ginger if you love ginger taste in your meat. Yeah, so this is how we are going to be boiling it. Okay, this is our way, traditional way of boiling beef. Kind of steaming it. Okay, so you can go ahead, add ndagala, vukutia, all that stuff that you use. So this is our beef all done and looking yummy. Ew, look at the colors, the oranges, the yellow, the red from the tomatoes. Oh my goodness. You can also go ahead and add ginger, like I said. So this was part of our beautiful food that we had for a certain party at home. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. The food was so delicious and yummy. Everything was tasty. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Stay blessed.